Great after sunrise and great happy November 24th, 2025, beautiful spiritual brothers and sisters. This is the Glyphosate Guy, author of upcoming mind spam book titled How to Die of Nothing, America's Energy Conservation Efficiency Expert, and passive residual income while you sleep as a pro network marketing coach. Danny Zen coming to you live from the Northern Hemisphere with sunrise number 687, or after sunrise. I had to take care of some business, but I didn't miss my sunrise, never, okay? The topic of this is, title is Tired of Clipping Coupons, and since it is keeping in line with my money and magnetism Mondays, I'm earthing here, as you can see, to naturally counter inflammation. In this video, if you block out the next 15 minutes or so, I'm going to go over, again, 3 big part-time home-based business opportunities so you can actually look forward to Mondays and not have to clip coupons. I'm also going to go over 5 of my earthing partners since it's Magnetism Mondays, okay? So you can have some natural remedies to take care of any of your chronic health conditions, maybe in reverse some of them, or to just age gracefully, okay? So first and foremost, as always, if you're tired of clipping coupons or dreading Mondays, want to build your own dreams versus somebody else's, make sure you recondition your thinking about how to earn money by having a mindset shift. Watch Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant concept at least 100 times by visiting either of these 2 links there, okay? I'm going to go actually really fast because there's poor air quality right now. And by the way, for one tip from my upcoming future New York Times best-selling book, How to Die of Nothing, if you make it a habit to check the air quality index in your area, you can visit my shortened IQ Air affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/loveyourlungs, since it's always the invisible stuff that gets us, okay? So you don't have any hidden blind spots, not get stroke, heart disease, and all that due to breathing poor air, okay? Again, that's tinyurl.com/loveyourlungs, okay? And then just enter your zip code or city for your local area to get the AQI, or air quality index. Make sure you print out my How to Own Your Life document by visiting that link at the bottom. If that link doesn't work, you can also go to tinyurl.com/more hammock time. I'll have a link in the description below this video, okay? Before I get onto the magnetism part, because a lot of you guys might not be able to afford them, so the first massive opportunity, it's really a game changer, okay? Everyone's got pain, everyone needs to sweat more, everyone needs to sleep better, everyone needs to have a strong immune system, okay? Why don't you, I'll just cut to the chase, print out this document titled, it's going to be about 40 health and financial benefits of using Richway and Fujibio's FDA-registered medical devices, of which I'm a biomat distributor. That's the name of their flagship product. It's about a 1-inch thick pad about the size of a massage table. Okay, I don't know why you'd want to be clipping coupons when this product is so cost effective at relieving pain. It can even be fully paid for under some car insurance's personal injury protection coverage after a motor vehicle accident, as well as workers' compensation and health savings accounts or flexible medical, okay? Which is a use it or lose it account. Make sure you get this so you don't lose that money. These are the FDA approvals. It's over the counter, so you don't need a prescription, okay? And these are all the electrical safety certifications. It's a medical device in 5 countries, including Health Canada, Japan, Korea, and another 5th one, maybe Africa or Nigeria, I can't remember. These are the 17 layers, okay? 3 of the layers are designed to cut down electromagnetic fields. And then even great for pets, okay? Complete friggin' no-brainer. You can even get some microplastic, nanoplastic free sea salt. It's the world's purest salt on the planet. Even happens to be the most expensive too. It's called Detox Sea Salt. You can view the details by visiting my Richway shortened affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/detox sea salt, okay? That you see there. Get 3 bottles so you can save a little bit of money. You can view some clinical studies on my Linktree/Biomat site that you see there at the bottom, and all the details will be on my affiliate or distributor link. Right, actually, just print out one of these 2 links, okay? Either tinyurl.com/passive income with Biomat, okay, or tinyurl.com/why Richway, okay? And then leave me a voicemail at my landline number with any questions at 786-441-2727 is my landline. Okay, again, 786-441-2727. If you happen to place an order for the biomat or enroll in my team, it's a one-time lifetime $80 registration fee. Just leave me a voicemail at that 786 number that you see there, okay? 786-441-2727, and forward me a copy of your order and or enrollment confirmation email to that dct3@cornell.edu, okay? I'll have all the links in the description below this video. You can view some clinical studies by visiting Linktree/biomat and or Linktree/heat for cancer to learn about hyperthermia or thermotherapy. Just remember there's a dollar period before the double E, okay? So that's that. Second massive opportunity to disrupt the cleaning industry with some USDA certified organic and Environmental Protection Agency registered line of safe non-toxic disinfectants sanitizers. It's over 80 times more powerful at destroying germs and street bleaches, yet is made of just 3 simple ingredients: water, salt, vinegar, and a little bit of electricity. This is their 32-ounce spray bottle. Okay, it's made by the HypoChlorous Company. What they've got, the competitive advantage, is that they have it, the patent on it that makes it shelf stable for over a year. And the active ingredient is called hypochlorous acid. Although it's got the word acid in it, it is less acidic than a glass of orange juice, okay? It is also Environmental Protection Agency registered in all 50 states, okay? No harmful chemicals, free from alcohol, as you can see there. No quaternary ammonium compounds, which is terrible. No carcinogens, phosphate fragrances, okay? You don't need to wear any personal protective equipment. Completely safe. You can even spray it in your mouth or pour it down your kid's throat. Got some convenient easy wipes, even some skincare products, a laundry booster, and also things for your pets, pet deodorizers. And if you have a pool or spa jacuzzi, this is their flyer. You can, for their pool. You have to order from them directly. Just tell them the number of gallons. Make sure you give them my 10% discount code, which is how to die of nothing, okay? All letters. You can also view the, it's a proven COVID killer in all variants of COVID-19, proven mold, mildew, hospital grade bactericide, varicide, salmonella, MRSA, everything. If you're in the food service, healthcare industry, you definitely need to check out Linktree/safe sanitizer, okay? That's linktr.ee/safe sanitizer, okay? Their main e-commerce sites, that link there, tryhypo.com, and that's my shortened link, which you can use to easily share with others. If you want to earn 25% commissions and earn 3% override commissions, so you can stop trading time for money, have leverage, and possibly earn passive and or residual income while you sleep, view a list of 35 reasons to become a HypoChlorous Company affiliate on my team. It's free, no auto ship, no minimum, no sales quota required. Just go to either tinyurl.com/passive and residual income or tinyurl.com/disrupt the cleaning industry should work as well. I'll also have a third link in case those two don't work, okay? And this is their 3-ounce travel or sample size bottle, very convenient. Again, it says it's child safe, food safe, pet safe, okay? Complete friggin' no-brainer, ladies and gentlemen, so you can stop clipping coupons. And this is their economical 1-gallon refill, okay? They even have like 55-gallon drums, maybe, and then other like 5-10 gallons for stations for like dental offices or high volume healthcare facilities or the food services, dairy, livestock industry, and all that, okay? Complete friggin' no-brainer. And then the last opportunity, so you can forward the 5 magnetism related products I'm going to go over, is actually before of course, onehouseoffthegrid.com, America's #1 part-time home-based business opportunity, bar none. Make sure you go over to this so you can say goodbye to all your energy, water, grocery, and sewage bills and earn an average $7,000 in commissions when you help an American with our 15 core energy upgrade and self-reliance items. onehouseoffthegrid.com, okay? Watch my One House Off the Grid pre-launch video. I have a link in the description below this video. Complete no-brainer. The other thing is, so that's the 3 part-time home-based business opportunities. You can stop clipping coupons. Before I forget, make sure you support my 2 climate-friendly financial institutions. Whoops, don't want to show my number there. So this is my Climate First bank. Okay, make sure you close your accounts out with the nasty banks that are bankrolling the climate crisis, supporting unsustainable industries like coal, all that, you know, fast fashion and factory farming. Okay, go to Climate First Bank, and then yeah, close your accounts with TD Bank, Wells Fargo, JP Chase Morgan, Bank of America, and Citi. Those are all nasty, bad banks. Okay, and then this is my Clean Energy Credit Union debit card. Go to cleanenergycu.org, I believe it is. Okay, open an account with them. Tell them Danny Zen of One House Off the Grid referred you. Okay, and then let's see here. That's that. Also, make sure you guys write this down, okay? Number one, retarding some magnetism for early Christmas present. And watch a video by retired brain surgeon Dr. Jack Kruse going over one of the top probably 5 biohacking tools in my opinion of all time. This is with Magnetico sleep mattresses, so you can experience all of these benefits and relief from these conditions. Okay, you can view this brochure. Everything will be at either Linktree/Magnets for Health that you see there on the bottom. Okay, Linktree/Magnets for Health. And you can also save, by the way, that's the link for the Dr. Jack Kruse testimonial. And it's my gift to you for being a loyal listener or subscriber. By the way, that's the brochure, okay? I'll have a link in the description below the video. You can also visit my shortened 15% off Magnetico Sleep affiliate link by going to tinyurl.com/Magnetico Sleep, okay? The discount code is Danny. It'll also get you 15% off. Just go to magneticosleep.com, okay? And then I recommend the Super Sleep System, which is 20 Gauss, okay? And I'm about to get another one that's double size. I currently have the Core single, okay? Anyways, that's number one for Magnetism Mondays. Number two is a amazing premium eco-friendly hand-sewn medical grade line of earthing grounding products, as well as shield EMF shielding devices made by Dr. Laure. She's a medical doctor, wrote the book The Earth Prescription. Make sure you head on over to my shortened intuition-physician.com affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/the best grounding products, I believe, okay? tinyurl.com/the best grounding products. And I'll also have a link in the description below the video for my affiliate link, which might be intuition-physician.com/how to die of nothing. I'll have to double check, okay? The third partner I want to mention is an amazing, this is very luxurious. It's the world's only grounded sleep mattress, even grounded on the sides as well as the top, and endorsed by Dr. Laure Koniver. That's Koniver. And that's how I learned of it, from a carico.com YouTube video, and that's spelled CHarlieARICO.com. It is mostly handmade in their factory in Italy. Even some professional Tour de France bicyclists use it for deeper recovery and rest. Okay, definitely get an earth stake rod from either Intuition Physician or the next partner I'll mention. And you can view my quote-unquote PowerPoint, since it's got a non-toxic flame retardant. And again, the website is C as in Charlie, ARICO.com. Go to tinyurl.com/grounded mattress PowerPoint, okay? tinyurl.com/grounded mattress PowerPoint. And contact me if you want the phone number for their VP of Sales, Juan Carlos Cabrera, or just call their showroom there in northeast corner of Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport at one of the phone numbers on their website. Just tell them that Carico referral partner Danny Zen referred you, okay? They should be able to ship worldwide. And then even has a 21-year warranty and white glove delivery service, okay? And different sizes and pillows and other health tools, okay? Fourth partner I want to mention is for a more affordable option than the Intuition Physician, you can go to earthing.com. That's Clint Ober, and you'll get a free book if you place an order, I believe. Get a discount by entering my code Danny, it's How to Die of Nothing, okay? How to Die of Nothing, all letters. Again, earthing.com, or my shortened link, affiliate link, which is tinyurl.com/earthing store, okay? So for more affordable products than Dr. Conover's. And then lastly, for those that are like into the barefoot minimalist footwear, make sure you visit my Earth Runners shortened affiliate link. Get you a discount. That's tinyurl.com/earthing footwear, I believe, okay? Again, tinyurl.com/earthing footwear. And again, the company's name is earthrunners.com out of California. You can also get a discount by entering my code. I believe it's How to Die of Nothing, but I'll double check and have a link in the description below this video, okay? Anyways, that's it. I'm going to go inside because I'm a little OCD. I don't like poor air quality. And thank you for your kind time and attention. I look forward to helping you support your health and wellness goals and stop clipping coupons, okay? Anyways, take care, everybody. And contact me only if you badly want to have time freedom. Stay tuned for tomorrow's Healthier Tech Tuesdays and some other good stuff, okay? I'm just trying to think if I forgot anything to do with my ADD. Let me see here. Oh, by the way, the Biomat is literally less than 57 cents per day for the Biomat Professional, because it's no moving parts and it should last you 10 years, even as long as you have proper care and maintenance. For faster response, contact Richway and Fujibio's probably still top income earner, Mr. Ron Guerra. Ron's mobile number, he's the founder of biomats.com. That's his email, info@biomats.com. It is 303-915-7707. Again, 303-915-7707. And then lastly, to help you guys get money back on your bills, since it's Money Mondays, go to my partner called Vive, just Vive, out of Houston, Texas. It's a disruptive tech company that helps make people's lives better. Their two slogans are, you upload your bills and we lower them, and we won't charge you a nickel until we can save you a dime, okay? They offer comprehensive cost reduction and money recovery services for Americans and all American-based businesses. Go to greensunshinepower.justviv. That's GREEN greensunshinepower.justviv, okay? So there's no company after. It's just greensunshinepower.justviv.com. And watch some great videos on my YouTube channel by visiting that link you see there, tinyurl.com/the $, and then ILUV saving money, okay? youtube.com/ILUV saving money. And then contact my Vive Network upline sponsor and one of the founding partners when they started in 2018, Mr. Joseph Burney in New Jersey, at 201-937-3369 with help uploading bills and or becoming a consultant on our team, okay? 201-937-3369. Just tell him Danny Zen of Green Sunshine Power referred you, okay? Or give him my affiliate consultant ID 16532, okay? Take care, everybody. Peace. And go bust it, okay? Bye-bye.